Getting the message? Your chat settings prevent you from sending messages in Roblox? Don't worry. Here's how to fix it step by step. Like and subscribe for more Roblox help. First, open your browser and go to the official Roblox website. Log into your account, click the gear icon at the top right, then select Settings. Now click the Privacy tab. Scroll down to the Communication section. Look for the setting that says Who can chat with me and change it to Everyone or Friends, whichever you prefer. If you are under 13, some settings might be restricted. In that case, a parent account will need to adjust them using Roblox's parental controls. Also check the security tab and make sure account PIN isn't locking the settings. If it is, you'll need the PIN to make changes. Once done, refresh Roblox or restart the game and try chatting again. That's how to fix chat restrictions in Roblox. Like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes.